Hi everybody, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Thanks for joining me, because today I'm so excited to finally share my favorite Mexican cornbread recipe with you all. This isn't just any cornbread. It's got that amazing depth of flavor from chopped onion, the richness of cheddar cheese, and that signature Mexican flair from both green chilies and fresh jalapeno. Trust me, your taste buds are going to thank you. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. To begin, I'm going to set my oven at 350 degrees to preheat it. I've greased a 9x13 pan or baking dish, either one. I'm going to set that aside. Now, I have a large bowl and I have 2 of my Jiffy Mix that we made from our copycat recipe that I'm going to add to this bowl. And then I have 1 diced onion. I'm using a red onion just because I like that pop of color. You can use a white onion or a yellow onion, whichever you prefer. Now I'm just going to take a whisk and just roughly mix this together. Now normally I don't worry about separating dry ingredients from wet ingredients and then combining the two. But in this particular case, I find it works really well because we have some chunky wet ingredients, and it's really nice to get them totally incorporated before we add them to the dry ingredients. I'm going to set my Jiffy Mix aside, and I'm going to add 2 cups of shredded cheddar, 1 can of creamed corn, 1.5 cups of sour cream, and I have 4 eggs, and I'm going to crack these eggs into this bowl that I had the cheese in and just slightly beat them before I add them to the mixture. Just enough to make sure that the yolks are broken. And now I'm going to add this. That's our 4 large eggs. Now I have 1 4-ounce can of diced chilies. I'm going to add all the liquid and chilies as well. I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of canola oil. And lastly, I have a tablespoon of finely diced fresh jalapeno. If you want it spicier, you can add more than that. Same thing with the cheese. I'm using cheddar, but if you want to add a little extra zip to it, you could use something like pepper jack. Now I'm just going to mash this all together, try and get it a little bit incorporated before we add it to the dry ingredients. Just so we don't get a big chunk of peppers or cheese, we want it fully dispersed throughout the loaf. Okay, I don't see any big clumps of sour cream now. And now we'll add it to our dry ingredients in the large bowl. Now we just need to mix it all together. It's going to take you a couple of minutes to get all the dry ingredients fully incorporated, but we don't want any pockets of just Jiffy Mix. Now this makes a really large pan of cornbread. If you wanted to, you could definitely cut it in half using just 1 box of Jiffy Mix. The flavors in this Mexican cornbread really pop. Plus it keeps its moistness with the creamed corn and the sour cream. Okay, I don't see any more dry spots of just Jiffy Mix, so we'll pour it in our pan. Now I'll just smooth it out in the pan a little bit, and we're ready to stick it in the oven. And remember, our oven is set at 350 degrees. And it's going to take 50 to 55 minutes to cook completely. And when it's done, we'll take it out, cut out a slice, and you can see what it looks like. Okay, here's our finished cornbread. Golden and hot, all cheesy. Well, that's a wrap on my loaded Mexican cornbread. This is truly one of my go-to recipes, and I'm so happy to finally share it with all of you. It's perfect for so many occasions, large and small. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. If you're new here, please consider joining our little community by subscribing. And to all my returning viewers, thank you so much for your continued support. Share this video with a friend who loves cornbread and leave a comment telling me what recipe you want to see next. Thanks so much for watching, and until next week, have fun in the kitchen.